Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Gmail in Windows 11 PC using Google Chrome. For this, first open Chrome browser and then visit gmail.com and then sign into your account. After that, click on this one triple dot menu and in the drop down menu select this one save and share option and then click on this one create shortcut option. In case you want to open Gmail in a new window in Google Chrome, you need to check this one option, or by default this will, in case you don't check this one option, Gmail will be opened in a new tab in your Chrome browser. So click on this one create button to create a desktop shortcut. Now a desktop shortcut will be available in your Windows 11 desktop. Just double click on this one to open it in your Chrome browser.